welcome back to our channel. Check out this install that we did. Add a modern convenience to your 1982 to 92 Camaro or Firebird with our keyless entry kit. It has automatic trunk release with just a click of a button. We also installed the LED footwell lighting kit on this car. Check out this interior. Super nice. This system includes everything you will need to remotely lock and unlock your doors, and you can add an optional trunk release relay if your car has the trunk release button. Your car must have power locks, and they must be currently working in order for this kit to work. That's pretty cool. Here is a front view of the car and how the alarm system works. Ta-da! Here's a side view. You can hear the doors unlocking when I click the button. Again, with this beautiful interior, and I just love the color of this car. This kit uses a modern state-of-the-art Prestige brand alarm system, and then we eliminate all unneeded wires and complexity for an easier keyless entry install. We include detailed instructions and wiring color codes. It only needs 6 wires connected from your car to operate. You can hook up additional wires for a complete alarm system. It also includes door lock modules for an easier install. Look at this beauty. Man, that green really pops in the sunlight. This is what the kit looks like. It includes 2 OEM appearing remotes that look similar to the 6th gen Camaro remotes. Alright, that is it for today. As always, feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and you'll have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe.